Another beautiful game, I will share it to you. Bobby Fischer against Laszlo Barksay. So, Bobby Fischer move on his favorite e4, then the black e5. Bobby Fischer knight f3, black knight c6. Bobby Fischer move on bishop b5. Then black response a6. Then Bobby Fischer move on bishop a4. Then black response knight f6. Then Bobby Fischer decide to castling on this time. Then black response bishop a7. Then Bobby Fischer rook e1. Then black response bishop 5. Then black response b5. He want to remove his bishop. Then Bobby Fischer response bishop b3. Then black d2. Then Bobby Fischer c3. Now black decide to castling. After that, Bobby Fischer move on h3. Then black response knight b8. Again, the position is still equal for this time. Then Bobby Fischer move on d4. He want to exchange his pawn. Now black response knight b d7. He didn't yet to grab his pawn. Then Bobby Fischer response knight h4. Then black response. Now he decided to grab his pawn. E takes d4. Then Bobby Fischer c takes d4. Now black knight b6. Then Bobby Fischer knight f3. Now the black decide to move on d5. He counterplay for this pawn. He want to exchange. Then Bobby Fischer move on e5. He didn't grab that pawn. Continue to e5. Then black decide knight e4. Oh, he is really like to counterattack the knight. Then Bobby Fischer move on knight b d2. Now black decide to grab the knight. Knight takes knight. Then bishop takes d2. Then black responds bishop f5. Oh, that is really aggressive counter attack. Then Bobby Fischer move on bishop c2. He want to exchange his bishop. Then black responds bishop c2 takes bishop. Then Bobby Fischer queen takes bishop. Now black responds rook c8. Then Bobby Fischer b3. After that, black responds knight d7. Then Bobby Fischer a6. He offer his pawn for exchange his pawn. And then black decide if takes a6. Then Bobby Fischer rook takes a6. I think this is the advantage of the white. Then, black responds C5. He want to exchange his pawn also. Then, Bobby Fischer responds bishop A5. Oh, he offered his bishop. There is no other support. If queen takes bishop, then black, he grabbed the opportunity to take a bishop. Queen takes bishop. Then Bobby Fischer, rook takes E7. Response, queen D8. Then Bobby Fischer, knight G5. Now the black is resigned. You know why? If he takes his rook, black mate. If he moves his pawn, and then black make a check here, my rook. Then his knight put on E6. That is double checks. Black resign now. So, baka naman bigyan nyo ako ng isang thumbs up lang po, at kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please like and subscribe na lang po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po.